I love working with wood. Wood is such a beautiful, versatile material. It's about creativity, making something which can be used, which has a purpose, and also the raw material for our fibers. So this is what I like about both my job and also my hobby. My name is Gert Kroner. I'm heading the Innovation and Research Department for Lenzing. We as Lenzing are making the most beautiful natural product, like our tencel fibers. They can be found anywhere, in jeans, in shoes, in underwear, in shirts. And the best thing is they are one of the most sustainable fibers out there. How do we do this? We are taking wood from sustainable resources. We are debarking and chipping the logs, making a solution out of it. Then we are pressing the solution, you can imagine like a shower head, and making fibers out of it, washing these fibers, drying them, and then our customers are making yarns out of this. We are all wearing clothes. Clothes are made out of fibers, and fibers have to be sustainable. The fashion industry needs a mindset change. One of the most important things is sustainable raw material.
Traceability from the technical point.
And that's, I think, a huge step.
We are only using wood from sustainable forests, from sustainable resources. This is key for us.
Wir bewirtschaften im Stift Schlegel den Wald nach dem Blenderprinzip. Das heißt, wir versuchen, natürliche Vorgänge nachzuahmen. Wie im Urwald, ein Baum kommt weg, dadurch kommt Licht auf den Boden und die Verjüngung hat die Möglichkeit, sich zu entwickeln.
The problem we are really trying to solve is to transform the textile industry.
You can see it's made here.
Progress brought us here, but innovation can help to solve these problems. Like with our fibers, tencel or ecovero, our mission is to bring the beauty of nature into textiles. And nature knows no waste. Sustainability secures nature and the future for our children. Our tencel fibers are produced in a closed-loop system, recovering the solvent again and again, reducing the amount of water, of energy, keeping the materials in the loop as long as possible. I'm already the fourth generation in Lenzing. My grandfather worked here. Lenzing was always part of my life and the life of my family. Yes, my father is really proud of what I have achieved and what I'm doing in Lenzing and following his footsteps.